Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't posted in 3 weeks because I'm dang sick. Excuse me. So I'm gonna be telling you guys about the new update and what you can do with the blocks. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, starting off, these are the screens. It gives if you press this button connected to a randomizer, it makes that sound, and it's either red or green. Green for that, this for that, same thing for this, and all of those. These are also screens, but then this is a smaller button, and underneath here, all the screens, is that. So then, yeah. So when you click this button, it's also connected to a randomizer. So it lights up or turns black. See black, then you wait for that to turn back to brown, and then you click the button and it does that. Then something else you can do is make a whole nightclub and everything. These are all the new screen blocks connected to wires. And yeah, and then you just paint them different colors and they become that pastel color. Then there's computers. There's this new block. It's called electric block. And it powers it on all times. See? So whenever it's on, it's just on and it stays on like this. This is still on. If you click the button, it would just turn off. So right here, that blue block right there, that's the electric block. Okay, I'm gonna go to a private world and show you the tech web. So when you go to out your private world, it's right where basement was. You go here, and then you see how it's not yellow, it's white. I'm also gonna show you where all the butt coins are. So when you enter the map, it looks like this. And you go in, you see, as soon as you walk in, you see this block. That's just a sign. It does nothing. So then, over here is the new tech web. As you can see, there's different wires, doors, more doors, more doors. There's gates. Then these things. This one, if you get on it, it just makes you, both of these, it's kind of like steroids. It makes you faster, and it turns you green. So it turns you green and you can walk faster and jump higher. Then there's this powered stuff with electric things on them. Then there's the tiny pulse gate delay, the small pulse delay, the big pulse delay, the small pulse extender, and the big pulse extender. Then after this one, the big one, it's the AND gate, the OR gate, the XOR gate, the NOT gate, the randomizer, which can make the gambling machines, and the toggle. Then there's these trapped wood. They work as keys. They work as keys these for keyboards that you can make with the new screens after I don't know what these do, but they like light up like this. Like that. It opens something. But then like yeah. Then there's the screens. The screens are black and a neon white. They connect to the wires, and whenever you press a button or step on trapped wood, they light up. Then there's the computer screen. It's just a computer, like a 1x1 screen, and then there's the light bulb. It takes up a bunch of space, and it's 800 butt coins. So I wouldn't buy it, but if you want to buy it, you can. Okay, I'll give you a tour of everything. This is the new bundle, the exclusive hazmat bundle. It gives you a new gadget, and whenever you like use those bombs in the new tech web, it goes crazy on like the meter. And whenever you paint something neon green, it also goes crazy. So let me show you how the computers and everything works. So this is a door. Yeah, it works as how you think it does. It opens, and then it opens and closes. Then there's the computers. There's stuff under there that makes it work. So you press this button, and it turns on. They use stuff from the new map, the new beach maps, like that. And then they use some stuff from the ice map and the new map. And you do that, and then you go around many times, and then you stop, and then it gives you a key. It goes in somewhere over there, but don't worry about it. You guys can find out the puzzle by yourself because I don't know everything. Then on top is this bunch of wiring. I know it looks overwhelming, but it's kind of easy. Okay, next room. So then there's this, the opening. There's like 2 hallways, and then this. There's this wiring that you have to press this button, that one, and it opens the door up here. Then if you press this button, that lights red, and it gives you a key. And then you press this smaller button, and it releases you. You can use either red key from in there, or from up there, here. And it opens these. We'll get into that in a sec, but let me show you everything here. So, there's this hallway, broken glass and stuff. You press that button, or you can just break your head on the glass. And then, as you see, it's just a black screen, but it does way more. So you see how just pressing one button doesn't do a thing, but when you press both buttons, it does that. How cool. Then there's this room. I don't like this room because it requires a lot of work. Like that. You shoot, you shoot, you shoot, and then you shoot. It requires 2 people, I think. Because but then when you finish it gives you a key out of that. And then as you see, there's this that you can go in, and it leads you to this room. If you press this button, it makes these turn on. It's like teleporters when you turn it on, but when you turn it off, they don't work at all, even if you jump hard on it. Now time for the butt coins. The first butt coin stash is over here. You go over here, you open the door, you go on top of this, and it should be right here. Right there. Second butt coin stash is over here. So you wanna go over here, get the red key. You wanna get the red key. Then this one's the hardest one to get because you have to run fast before anyone gets it. But right here, this, you go on top of this light, and when you do that, you touch your head against the roof, and then it makes that sound, and then you have to run very fast, open the gate, go over here, go up, and then the purple key drops. Then you want to get the red key again. And when you do that, you open the red gate, you go over here, you go down, I think. Yeah, down here into this, over here, behind this, and it should be right here. You unlock it, and here's the second butt coin stash. The third one is up here. Just work all the way up there, and it should be like on the thing here. Like you go in and you don't fall like I did. So you go up, and it's right here, I guess. Yeah, right there. Right there. That's where the third one is. The fourth one is on the other side over here. And then it's on this gnome right here. That's all the butt coin stashes I know so far. Wait, no, I actually know the last one. The last one is still in the red key room. You take the key, you go down, you unlock the gate, you go down the stairs. In this room, take all the pillows and redeem this one. Yeah. And then here, this is the lobby. It does many things, like this one. It opens that gate. This one flings that. This one makes that go off. This one turns on the fans. This one makes that go up. And this one makes the light key drop. And that's it. That's the end of the wiring update. I'll show you guys what you can do with the new wires soon. But I need to get some rest because I'm sick. Very sick. Okay, bye guys.